We are standing here on the Crowfinance red carpet for FinFair 2015 with Blaine McLaughlin, VP of Folio Institutional, who I think is really doing some incredible work in really bringing alternative assets to the mainstream because, talk a little bit about some of the custody solutions that you're providing that I think are groundbreaking.
Well, thanks, Dara. I'm glad to be here, and Folio Institutional is really happy to support this event and all the things that are going on in the online investing space. What we're doing that we think is unique and we think will help revolutionize this space is to provide the clearing brokerage back end to all of these online investing sites so that they can provide real customer accounts and real custody so that people can buy the securities they want to buy in the online brokerage accounts that they know and love. And it sounds so simple to think of it that way, but the process of doing private security investing has been so tortured in the past and even to a degree in the present that we really want to help change that so that more investors can participate, and even more so in smaller amounts so that they can be diversified and take the risk out of private investing, or at least a lot of the risk associated with having to have such large purchases. So we're very happy to be here to support the event, to bring our message to the investors and to the platforms that are here, and to work with them. I have to give a call out to one of the leading broker-dealers here at the conference, TriPoint Global Equity, and their website, banq.co, as one of the first firms to launch with a fully integrated website doing both public and private securities, both IPOs for public offerings as well as initial private offerings. So, they're really leading the space on the front-end customer interaction, and we hope to continue to lead the space in the back-end processing to make it really robust for the industry.
I think that's great, and I think what you're really doing will really change the whole landscape for the industry, because for the first time, financial advisors, RIAs, they all have the ability to hold these assets under management, and I think that's really been a key obstacle in getting them engaged in this whole new industry, this emerging industry.
Yeah, absolutely. Folio Institutional has over 500 registered investment advisory firms that use the platform, and what we hear consistently is, if I can't buy the security in the online brokerage account that provides the statements and the custody and the trust, then they're not going to participate. And that limits the capital available to companies that are trying to grow in our country. So by providing that consistent quality back end that they all know and love and expect, it allows more capital to flow to the companies to create more jobs. So it's a really important thing. And just adding to that a little bit, there are trillions of dollars in retirement accounts that also, for the most part, aren't able to access private securities because you have to have an IRA custodian. And by bringing the traditional online brokerage account structure to private securities, it allows people to invest in these startup companies and private debt and private equity in their IRA at much, much lower cost than anything else that's available. So again, bringing more dollars to job creation, very important, and happy to be here.
And that's great, and that's what FinFair is about. It's really about bringing these opportunities to the masses. So thank you for all you're doing in the space. Thanks.